we have arrived here at Maya Bay. It is probably the best looking place I've ever been to, so definitely worth coming here. We're in a sleep hostel in Onang, I think that's how you say it. We came here because this is where you get the boats to do like the island tours and that sort of thing. So we're doing an island tour tomorrow. We're going around 4 different islands. One of them's Chicken Island. Don't know what the other ones are. There's going to be nice views and fish to snorkel with and shit to do. So, I don't know. I guess we're doing that.
Right, so this is our hostel. The aircon, he put the aircon on for us and took the controller away, and it's hardly working. It's boiling in here. We've got beds, Mr. Sexy over there, more beds. And guess what? More beds. Yeah, they've got nice privacy though, so if you want to bring a lucky lady back, you can. And I'm getting summoned.
This little shack.
Right, so we're on the 4 island tour. We've got to our first island called, what's it called?
This is called Rayleigh, and it's not an island.
Oh, right.
It's a secluded beach you have to get to by boat.
Pretty much, yes.
Yeah.
We're here with the 2 girls. There's some brownies next door, and we're gonna get them.
They're very happy.
Be happy on the boat.
We've
I'm a different man from 2 minutes ago. We went to the toilet. There's no toilet roll. I had to use that squirty thing.
Just go with it. Okay.
What are you saying, Cam?
Oh, what am I saying? It's nice. We've got a long walk back though. Our boat didn't park here to avoid paying a charge, but we paid.
Banging, isn't it? Actually, it's banging.
I reckon we go and sit.
So do I. So that's a chicken, is it? Chicken Island, apparently. I mean, I wouldn't say that looks like a chicken, but it's got a head. Yeah, I don't really know. I'd say it's more like a turkey, personally. But, yeah. Huh?
They're not
Luke's about to backflip.
Oh my god.
We're going to get some food from a Thai place. Only 80 baht for a meal. Don't know how it will taste, but this beautiful scenery doesn't matter. What's this beach called?
I don't know, some little island on the 4 island tour.
Coming out here living my best life.
We are going on our second boat trip in 2 days today. I don't know how many islands on this one, but we are on the bus to the boat. So let's go.
Yeah, I don't really know what's going on, to be honest with you, but I think we're, I don't know, I thought we was at my bay.
I think we are.
Oh, not too sure, to be honest with you, but I don't really know. I don't know what's going on. Not mad.
So quiet.
It's very peaceful, isn't it? You walk around the other side. Yeah, it's not a swim. Shit.
I mean, this really is paradise, isn't it? Try and tell us that we're not living our best life. It's just different gravy over here, really.
we have arrived here at Maya Bay. It is probably the best looking place I've ever been to, so definitely worth coming here. Hasn't been open long, so we're lucky to be able to get here. Always saying it's Leonardo Dicaprio, the beach film, I believe. I've never watched it, to be honest with you, but hey ho, this is very nice though. Don't know where we're going now, but we're pulling in somewhere, some sort of lagoon.
Yeah, the color is very different. Outside is light blue and inside very deep. Yeah, that's it. But when you're ready, you can take off your ticket. You scan my picture of the inside.
Ali's had a long day, bless